crabbing like a big dog.
Yeah. Is that it?
That's an Airbus. Look at the winglets. You see the winglets coming off the small ones?
Still? No, he's just
Just straight out.
Make sure you get it from the side on this side.
On the side.